Hi, welcome back to English for Adults. Before we go on, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to form and use going to. Affirmative. The auxiliary verb is be plus going to, which is conjugated. Use the dictionary form of the main verb. I am going to go to the gym. You are going to go to the gym. He is going to go to the gym. We are going to go to the gym. You are going to go to the gym. They are going to go to the gym. You can contract the subject with be. I'm going to go to the gym. Negatives. Form negative sentences with adding not to the auxiliary verb be. You can't contract be with not, only the subject with be. Remember that in official documents, you shouldn't use contractions. I am not going to go to the gym. Interrogative. Form questions with be as well. Are you going to go to the gym? Use. We use going to for actions that we have decided to do in the future. Mary is going to become an actress. She is attending Juilliard. Things that are planned. I am going to travel to Japan next week. Events that we are almost completely sure will happen because of something happening in the present. It is going to rain because it's very cloudy. I hope you learned from this video. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Please check out other parts of the series as well as they become available. Please consider becoming my patron for as little as €3 a month.